let me give you some advice. If you want to become somebody of influence, take one subject, not only one, and make it, I want to tell you, make it, focus on it so that you can become skilled in it. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. So, if you go to this guy with a, not the one with the coffee, the other, Jewish. If you go to Jewish guys, a Jewish guy who is a doctor will not fix his own car, nor will he cut his grass. He won't. The reason being because there is an expert in cutting grass. And they don't call themselves grass cutter. It's something that has to do with gardening service and irrigation or something like that. They call it a different name because the guy is skilled. Landscaping, here's the word I'm looking for. The guy is skilled in landscaping. So when he comes in there, he doesn't call himself a gardener. I'm a landscaper. Because he's skilled in landscaping. And when he enter your house, he goes out there. So Jews had the tendency of making sure they are skilled in only what they can do good with, and they are passionate about